To get started with the scheduler embed, you would need to enable this feature by going to your Cronofy developer dashboard, visiting the features section of your application, and making sure that enable embed credentials for this application is toggled on. Then click Save Core Features. Next, go to the credentials section and click Generate a new embed secret. Then store the public key and embed secret safely in your application's secrets. They would allow you to create embedded scheduling components as they're passed to the function for generating an embed token. We're then going to use the application's public key and embed secret and parse them during the token generation process. Here we've used a JWT gem in Ruby to create the token, but the process is similar in other languages, with examples available in our documentation for PHP, JS, C#, and Java. After setting the embed public key and embed secret, we'll define the payload. Once the payload is set, we use the JWT encode method to sign the token with the embed secret using the HS256 algorithm. This results in a signed JWT that you can safely use in your embedded scheduling solution. Make sure to protect your embed secret and never expose it in the front end, as it's a key part of maintaining the security of your token. Then we're going to install the Cronofy Scheduler Embed NPM package. This is the library that provides all the embeddable elements and APIs for your scheduling solution. To install it, open your terminal and run the following command. Once the package is installed, the next step is to import the library. In your front-end code, simply add the following statement at the top of your JavaScript file. Once we've generated our embed token and installed and imported the library, we're ready to embed the scheduler button. The code for this can be grabbed straight from our documentation. The Cronofy scheduler button emits events that the application can listen for by registering the event listener. This is where I've added an event listener for scheduler request creations. This allows me to access event details such as primary select URL and scheduling request ID once the request has been created. Those details will be available in the detail attribute. The button element will also emit events when the dialog has been opened, closed, or when the scheduler has encountered an error. The scheduler button element provides methods and properties that can be called from JavaScript to inspect the current state of the scheduler dialog, as well as methods to open or close the pop-up. The process of adding a cancel button is similar to that of the scheduler button. We can grab the HTML code for the cancel button straight from our documentation. For a better user experience, I'm only adding the cancel button once the scheduling request has been created. My application will know once this happens thanks to the event listener Cronofy scheduler request created that we registered in the previous section. The Cronofy scheduler cancel button also emits events such as the scheduler dialog being opened or closed. We can again register those using the add event listener. Importantly, an event will also be emitted when the scheduler request has been cancelled as well, and we can register this using the event listener Cronofy scheduler request cancelled. Similar to the scheduler button element, the scheduler cancel button element provides methods and properties to inspect the current state of the dialog and to open and close the pop-up. And this is the end result.